Hello, Puzzle Cube engineers. So at this point in your project, you should have your puzzle cube combination sketch done like the example shown here. Your design should be thought out and complete on the design sheet here. You should have your paper prototype complete as well. Your next step is to start designing the 3D models for each of your puzzle parts and then making the technical drawings for each of these puzzle parts. There we go. So, for example, this is my puzzle piece A, and the thing that you need to know and realize is that every single one of your blocks that you have 27 cubes. You have 27 wooden cubes in your little trays. Each of those cubes should measure 0.75 inches. So that's what this is displaying right here. A single cube is 0.75 inch cube. You must have 5 parts. Some of you might have 6 parts, so you might have A, B, C, D, E, F. You're going to color each part as the same color that you used in your design. So that's why my A is blue here, and it's blue in the 3D model. So you are already at a point in your engineering careers where I don't really need to explain how to design the 3D models or the technical drawings, but I'm going to explain what I'm looking for. Let me open up my technical drawing for this. I actually might not even, I need to update this. Let me go ahead and do that. Okay, so this is puzzle part A. I'm going to go to my home, and I'm just going to quickly make the technical drawing for the puzzle piece. I know I have the example here. Where is it? Yeah, this is an old example. This is an updated video that I'm updating today. So let's just take a look at this so I don't have to actually make it in front of you. Hang on. So what am I looking for on your puzzle part technical drawings? I'm looking for your custom template with the scale and the name of the part. So this is puzzle part A. Your colored isometric, it has to match the same color as your sketches that you made by hand. There needs to be the length, the depth, and the height somewhere, along with other important dimensions for each of your pieces. Try to keep all of your dimensions centralized between the 3 views as closely as you can. This is all in inches, so you're not doing this in millimeters. The only thing that is missing that is crucial for this updated project is I want you to use a wood type material for your puzzle piece and include all of the other things that we've been including, the density, volume, mass, and material as a parts list down below. I'm going to go ahead and demonstrate it anyway for anyone who wants to watch and continue. Let me go ahead and insert my top, front, side, and isometric view. Click OK. Now, let me just adjust some of these. Okay, I'm going to double click on the isometric and then click on the color or shaded button and then click OK. And then I'm going to click on annotate and start dimensioning my puzzle piece. I don't need that one. I do need this one. And this one. This should be enough dimensions for this model in order to 3D model it. Okay. Let me go into this puzzle piece and go to File. I need to make sure my eye properties are updated on this to match what I'm asking you all to do. Okay, so I want it to be, let's go with wood birch. Okay, so your density, go ahead and copy your density from here because you're going to need it later. Click apply, and then close. If you already colored it, it should stay colored. If you need a little refresher on how to color, you would go to Tools and Appearance, and your Appearance browser will pop up, and you can, well, I'm sorry, not Appearance, Adjust. So if you click Adjust, there's a little menu that pops up with a color wheel. You have to move the little square inside of here and move the little line along the circle. Okay, and then you can color your piece accordingly. See that? Click the little check when you're happy with the color. Okay, let me go back here. Well, let me save this first, and then go back here, and then click on Parts List. Select the puzzle piece, click OK, set that into place, double click it, click on the column. We're going to remove all of these. We're going to add our new property of density in all caps. Double check your spelling and everything. We want the mass, material, and volume. Click OK. Click on your density and paste what you copied from a moment ago. Click OK. And there's our parts list. Nice, simple, clean looking parts list. And I want to update, well, we need to update the iProperties so it says design by my name. Use your full name, first and last name. The title needs to say puzzle part A if you're doing A right now, or whatever letter it is. Make sure you update your date. Make sure the scale is in 1:1. And also, just make sure that all of your note text, I'm going to right click, edit dimension style. Make sure all your note text is in the Technic font. So we're going to click on the little pencil, make sure we're in Technic, save and close, and that should all update everything. Go to File, iProperties, make sure you're the author, that's your first and last name in all caps. The title for this is, for mine, Puzzle Part A. Project, in the Project tab, that's where you click today for the project date and apply close, and that should all update. And then you want to go to File, Save As. Don't save your custom template, save it as Puzzle Part A, and then a dash, and then your name. And then save, and then export it as a PDF. Once it's ready to be exported, it's still saving on my end. There we go. You want to export it as the PDF, and then that's what you're going to attach to the assignment. Of course, if you get stuck or need help, let me know.